Alright, what is up, everybody? I don't know if you can hear me. I am using the audio of my webcam. And yeah, I think the audio is a little bit bad, to say the least. So yeah, if you did not see yesterday's video, I pretty much went from using the SDO surface, and now I'm using the SDO render. The problem is that I pretty much just changed all the code to sort of have the same effect. And what it's doing is I have this problem here, which is that, as you can see. I don't know when this happens. I think it's because I'm trying to refresh the render way too often, which is not really what I want. Also I need to find a way to get this out of here. Not what I wanted. And so let me the header. Okay, so here's ring.cpp. So I'm updating these two things, and then I'm doing, whoa, you were not supposed to do that. Okay. How was it? Okay, well, that was not supposed to happen. Maybe that was the problem? Not at all. Okay. So let me put this here. Maybe I had it somewhere else now. Okay, so I'm doing shop elements, so sorted array. Alright, and then where am I? I'm just doing the updating here with the render and all that. You know, I could do another thing. Whoa. Because the sort of solutions that I had was to either render everything each time that I would have to render present, which is not really what I want. You know, I would like to have something a bit more efficient, just so that I don't have to keep track of all the things that I'm rendering each time. So yeah, let's see if by doing something like this, I can have a better result. Probably not, but yeah, that's what's up. So what if this was, I don't know, 500? Okay, SDO flickering with render fix. Whoa, fix. SDO turn flickering bug. So it uses a render, yes. Show window. What is that? Show window. Show a window. Okay. So it shows a window. Okay. So then I destroy the render. Okay, I do this. Then I run the present. The bug defect looks like kind of double buffering issue, or rather the lack of double buffering. But the O2 should use double buffering by default, so maybe it's some kind of a graphics driver issue. I'm not sure if it's possible to not get double buffering, but you could still try calling something like this after creating the render to see if it's on. As the OGL get attribute double buffer, double buffer. Yikes. Whoa. But do I then have to print result of double buffering? I don't understand. Okay. See double buffering. Double buffering. Okay, so double buffering 1. I guess that means that I do have it, right? SDL get attribute. Get attribute to the actual value, so pointer filled with the current value. So I guess the current value is 1, that means it's on. I think, so I should have. But it is still sort of, it's not flickering. I don't really know what that is. It's doing some sort of, oh shit. Double buffering. What's the others double buffering automatically for you. Render clear will clear out the current rendering buffer. Render copy will render textures to the current rendering buffer. Huh. So maybe I should use render copy before render present. Huh, how about that? So SDL render copy. Copy. Render. What the hell? SDL render copy. Copy a portion of the texture to a current rendering time. But there's no such thing in SDL3? No, wait. Shit. Okay, so SDL render coordinates from window, color, copy. That's not functioning. Coordinates to window. So that's kind of the problem that I'm having, is that I'm swapping the buffers but actually not synchronous or something like that. You simply need to call render present in order to flip the double buffer. If you're currently using the software rendering system, this should fix it. Note that if you're not currently using Bison, this is also a likely cause. So we'll fix this by sending the XML hint under Bison. I have to do it here, right? SDL hint under Bison. Oh, I think they took it out in SDL3. Why? Oh no, Bison. Create render. 03. I think there was an example even, but it does not use anything. Wait, it's a great texture, great render, when no. If it's a head, then if it's a hint, then it should be something like this, like SDL hint. Okay. This was SDL hint render basic. Macro redefine. Hint render basic. Macro redefine. What are you typing? Where is this supposed to be redefined? So this is supposedly redefined somewhere else. Oh, okay. But I do have to set it somewhere, no? SDL3 create this, create render with properties. Huh. So maybe this is what I have to do. Prop render, create GVC. This are the supported. So, wait. I don't think this is the way to go, but okay. Do we want to synchronize present with every particle refresh? To synchronize present with every second particle refresh. Okay, so just get rid of this, and then it should be something like here SDL, sorry, set render bsync render, and then not what I wanted to do, 2. I don't really know what's going on. This is gonna go just so fast. Whoa, that is way too fast, buddy. Yeah, totally. So what if I set you to 1? Fuck, this just gets out of control as well. I would like to get the methods that you have. Right. Right. Copy. Copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, copy, copy. So there's no render. Create GPU render. Create render with progress, create software render. Window add render plus render. Get render transaction. So what is plus render? Okay. So technically I do not need to go there. Graphics drivers, sorry, Flutter. Business goes completely great. Clear the project root cause opens the screen so you need to avoid it whenever you're on it. So how to use file buffers are called. Well, that's not a my problem, honestly. Weird flickering. Well, I tried to use texture login to draw single pictures and get a straight flickering. Well, I'm not using that, but well, you could use it. Under present high, from the top, the block buffer should be considered validated after each pressing to noticing the previous comments will exist between frames. To call render clear to initialize the block buffer, but we're starting to move frames strong. Yeah, but that's not really what I want. That's not really what I want. If I do SDL render clear, my renderer, then I'm gonna have to put a prompt. Whoops. Right, so that's not really what I want. Oh, still haven't done it all. SDL render draw right. But I think this is not an SDL3. SDL render draw right. Rename SDL render right. pixel precision. So maybe I need to call this instead of wanting to fill the rect, and then I need to render the rect, right? So I'm guessing I need this, and then I need this. I don't rect. Maybe I can get rid of this because it renders to the screen. Maybe I might be true. Whoa, what the hell was that? So render rect does not seem to do much. Fill surface rect, render field rect, and then I render field rect, and I do all of those things. Yo, that was hella fast, what the fuck? Oh, because, okay, so there still needs to be updating between these. So if I do a TI of 100, it's probably gonna be all black. What the hell was this? It just takes black. So this pretty much does nothing. What if I do STL, so STL, render person. Let me put still flipping. Render rect. Was fill rect. Render clear. Open angle. Render rect. There was a number of rectangles in between render targets. So rect. Pointer to an array of destination rectangles. Okay. So, okay, so this does absolutely nothing. clear. Do your rendering. Manage your events under present. Huh. That's interesting. Maybe it should be something like that actually. Let me just do a float frame start equals stl and ticks. Okay. Then I should do stl render clear. Actually, but this should be done inside, right? No. No. Then I do render present, and then I do if frame delay, which I don't really know what frame delay is. Frame time. Where's frame delay? I think I had something like this here. That's frame time, delta time. Update game, let's see what that is. Update game, frame delay. Fuck. Okay, so let's just do float frame delay equals, this is 1000 divided by, okay, so that's going to be 1000 divided by 60. Whatever. And then here is if frame delay. So it is frame time. Frame time equals ticks minus the frame start. So frame delay frame time. Then it's the delay. Frame minus the frame time. Also about rendering pixels when clearing the texture, you use Snapset, which is faster, but your way still works. I guess that is not a figment. I don't know, like I'm thinking maybe like having two processes in parallel, and one sort of does all this sorting and the other does all the fucking rendering, because this is like, what the hell is going on? Right. Let's see what my man has to say. No. Okay, so this is not correct. as I thought it was. So log out of here. And it set up some crazy thing. But I'm not going to do this. Redraw the entire screen on each frame. How could I redraw the entire screen? Each frame. I would have to keep track of each frame. Right. Well, shit. Well, shit. Well, shit. If I need to redraw it each time because I have the vector, I can actually do it. Right? So I could come here and do something like, I don't know, int redraw screen. Where I have my lovely SDL renderer, just renderer, and then I have my vector primary, call vector, return 0. So then I can do something like this, where it's just like, I'm just gonna, paste it into here. I don't need any of this. I don't need any of this. Well, maybe I do. Maybe this is what I need. I have no idea. But that's what I'm thinking. So rather than having to do all this, what I might do is, so I have redraw screen. Wait, what? So after some time, instead of doing this, I do redraw screen with the renderer and the vector. I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, and then it gets a little. Okay, so that sort of fixed it. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah, I could have something like this done every time, although I would have some trouble with the highlight value and all that. Well, not actually. No. I just have to get rid of this. And then I would have to call redraw screen. Right, but I don't have the actual thing. So it's not like I'm going to be able to do this. But, okay, so this is what's going to be happening. So I'm going to do this, and then this is going to be okay. But then, shit, it's not going to be that. Well, if I'm highlighting the value, actually, yeah. If I'm highlighting the value, then here, update the value, I'm sending new one. update, you will get out, render present, you will get out, and then I just have to redraw the entire thing each time, which is kind of what I want. So I have this, and then swap elements. Yeah, about how do we redraw screen, renderer, vector, and then here swap elements, blah blah blah, for each j. So this would be here. So this would be redraw screen with renderer and vector. Sorry. Okay. I don't know how this is gonna look. Okay, yeah, I kinda need to clear that. Where is it? Oh, it's here actually. So before starting, I do this, and then I do SDL render clear with render. Okay, so this is my array, and this is kind of fucked up. Alright. That was interesting. SDL render clear. That was interesting. Wow. Wow. Just wow. Maybe SDL render present. Nope. Absolutely not. But maybe I need to redraw the screen each time. Okay, but that's kind of unfair, dude. It's kind of unfair. Yeah, I don't know. I have no idea how to fix it. I have no idea how to fix this. The render clear to wipe the screen with the vector. So wait, you're telling me that is a very smart thing to do actually. Do SDL render clear. Oh, with a what color? Okay, so that one. That makes even more sense. Okay, then I should establish a new color. Then you call render array every time something changes or in a frame. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Whoops. Okay, so this will work now. And then this updates every time it looks fast. So, boom. Boom. Okay, so this goes super slow. That's not what I want. I'm in shorting.cpp. that's kind of funny. The only thing is that this is super slow, but you know, that's kind of funny to see. I just assumed it was gonna be faster, you know. Just I'm using the whole, you know, this render thing, but sure, why not? So why don't I do this? So why don't I do this every time a swap happens? Let's see how that goes. Now it's still super, but it's still cool to see for sure. You can see how everything happens, but what happens if I do, instead of bubble short, I do selection short? I did not change this one. Selection short, we draw string on each J, yes. Why are you not happening more often? Highlight values are gone for clear reasons. Yeah, it's inside each J, so that's what you should be doing. No way, there's no way, there's simply no way that it is this slow. There's no way, no way. Why? Do I have any kind of delay? Delay. How did that? I don't want it. Okay, so it was piecing that was making this thing so fast. I mean, so slow. Sorry. Okay, so what if I do now? Bubble short. How would that look? So it took 6 seconds. Yoo-hoo! Okay. I'm gonna let it like this. Alright. Flipping fixed. Recount the entire vector each time something has changed. Much better, smoother. So how do you smooth? Okay. Smoother and faster animation. Take flush origin ray. Clean. Okay, let me see that one. I'm telling you guys that was super fast. You. Okay, then I have to wait. Then I have to show this. The shotgun is so shorted array. You have to redraw it. So let's just do it. Redraw screen. Move the vector. With the vector? Or with the render? Render vector. Render. I don't have a render. You are right. So I guess I should use the render. Okay, and then I have some trouble here. This is array.cpp. Do I have the header here? I do. Great. Oh my god, I'm the exact line. Render. Alright. And then I have to go into shorten and I have to say, hey, take this because you need it, and then here as well, hey, take this because you absolutely need it. So that's supposed to show. Okay, that did not show anything. Great. What the hell happened there? So shorted array. Yep, you are supposed to do that. Delay. Oh wait, I'm not sending the. Yeah. You're right. Shit. Well, okay. So I guess I should have something like this then. Right? It's literally just this. Boom. This is gone. Okay, whatever. And then this is 0, 0. Instead of this, then it should work. Okay, no, it did not work. Okay, so what if I could add something like I mean, I really do want to have this, but thing is, I just don't know how to do it. Do I add a variable? Do I add something that tells it to do this? Wait, how much time have I been doing this? 52 minutes. What the fuck? Well, okay, that sucks. So what I have to do? What do I have to do? Render present. I don't want to render too much. So the only thing that I'm thinking is having something like this where it's bold, red, and then it should be something where here, if red, you do this, else you have and I go into here and this has full red, and then I have problems here because I want to do this case hopefully this should work. So this gets sorted. Not what I was quite looking for. So sorted array. Actually, let me just. Okay. Then I have to show the sorted array, which in this case it does not happen. Oh, it happens here. Wait, which one am I doing? Publish. So yeah. So sorted array calls the redraw screen with the true done, but it does not seem to give that much of a fuck. It's just kind of crazy. Redraw screen with the vector. And I redraw screen with the vector. And I redraw screen with the vector. Similar to kind of what happens here. Wait. Do have the initializer right. But why did it happen instantly, bro? You're supposed to take your time. You know? Why? Why are you doing this to me? Then I have this. Then I have this. I redraw this point. So maybe I don't want to clear it this week. You know? Maybe I do not want to clear the screen. Maybe I just want to do it this way. But I would be returning code, which is not really what I want to do. Fuck it. Okay, so this gets done. This gets done. You get out of here. You get out of here. You get out of here. Okay. so in here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be like this I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. So then I have to go here, then I have to set let me see. Field surface, no, not field surface. Wow, I actually have no idea what I'm doing. This is crazy. Then I should do a render present? I really do not know. Render present, render. Read on screen. Oh, you're right. You're right. You're absolutely right. Okay, so not what I want. Hold up. Yeah, I don't know. I can do this tomorrow.